Guys, we've got the king of the back patio, the old Copperhead 40. Now, let me tell y'all something. The first pit TMG ever built way back in the day, back when we were all little people, Copperhead 40. All right, guys, now it wasn't just like this one. This one's badass, loaded out, going to my man Ben, so let's check it out. Now, as you can see, it is on our off-road package, all right? We got upgraded wheels and tires on here. You can't go wrong with that red powder coat from our boys Mods down in Texas. Appreciate y'all. So we got hooked up with the Mods, upgraded wheels. He did get the stainless steel front shelf as well. On the front here, speaking of stainless steel, he's got his custom logo there, guys. We do a lot of custom logos here at TMG, so that is no problem to knock that out. You can see he's got 2 D-ring tie downs up here as well. Now we'll get on to the smoke chamber. Now, like I mentioned earlier, if you're paying attention, this is our Copperhead 40, all right? Now, the Copperhead is our octagon design. This one's 40 inches long, 24 inches deep. We do these in a ton of different sizes. This is one of our smaller ones. Of course, we go bigger, guys. Y'all already know the deal there. Now, you get 2 sliding trays standard in this unit. Now, this is reverse flow, so we got 2 removable plates in here. What those plates do is they direct the smoke all the way across and then back out of the stack. He's got our TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers there. Now we'll move to the hot box. Now this is our 30-inch hot box. Inside you'll see 5 sliding trays, totaling 1,776 square inches of cook space just in here, guys, and that is because we love America. All right, now this hot box, it runs independent from the smoke chamber, so you can adjust your temperatures, be running 2 different temperatures at once. Makes it very versatile. The plate in the bottom is also removable, so you can actually get direct fire in there. You can grill in there. Turns it into a direct heat cooker, so that is an awesome option right there. Now, as far as the firebox goes, this unit did upgrade to an insulated firebox. Still have the fire cradle in there, D-ring tie downs on the back as well. So guys, that is this Copperhead 40 about to load up on a trailer, ship it across the country. Y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.